Hello, welcome to Smartlab XRD training video. For the powder sample measurement, first we usually to recommend you prepare your sample. That is, place your powder sample on the glass sample holder. And when you do this, please remember to clean up all of the unfixed powder on the glass stage, because we don't want to contaminate the equipment. When you press the powder, do not press it very hard, so you might damage the glass holder, or you might create some irritation of the powders. Step 2, let's select a measurement package, which is face ID and structure analyze for powder. Usually we recommend you to use quick theta to theta measurement and collect the optical measurement BB condition. Optical measurement button is in the left screen, the yellow button. And when you execute it, the system will feedback that you need to change some component of this equipment. Here we need to change the PB slit, insert center slit, and remove key beta filter. Let's do this one by one. When you open the door, click the yellow button and wait for 3 seconds and open that door very gently. Remove the PB slit. Usually PB slit is for the parallel beam. We use it for thin film measurement. But for powder, here we recommend you to use BB slit. And we want to remove the key beta filter for the optical measurement to maximize the beam intensity. And finally, remove the sample stage and change a particular one that designed for the optical alignment with a high reference slit. And later we will insert our sample holder inside the high reference slit position. You can find all of the components inside the equipment chamber. When you finish all of the component change, and let's close the door very gently. Make sure you close it and click the yellow button. Let's go back to computer. Check if all of the component is in the right position. Click OK, and the system will go to optical alignment automatically. All you need to do is wait here until it finished. When it finished, click OK and goes to sample alignment. Check all of the experimental setup very carefully and make sure everything is right and click execute it. And the system will feedback you that we need to put the high reference sample out of the stage and insert the glass sample holder. So we back to the equipment, open the door, and here, let's see, we remove the high reference slit here. This is a high reference slit. and change the glass powder holder here on the stage. When we finish that, just close the door very gently and go back to computer, click OK, and it will go to sample alignment automatically. We need to wait for several minutes. When it finished, click OK and go to step 3, quick theta to theta measurement. In this step, firstly, we recommend you to create a folder with your name and in a position that you can find it. Usually, you can create your folder in the C disk. Click Customize, and you can select all of the parameters you need, including starting degree, stop degree, steps, and speed. Here for the demonstration, I use a very high speed. Double check before you do the measurement and execute it. Here the system will check the hardware configuration first, and maybe it will go back to use some information. So here the system wants you to insert the K-beta filter and remove audio adapter. So let's go back to the equipment, open the door, and find the K-beta filter you just put inside the chamber. And insert it to the right position and remove the audio adapter. Usually we just need to unfix that point and get out that metal cubic box. Put the adapter inside the equipment so you won't lost it. When you finish that, close the door, go back to computer, click OK and wait. It will update the hardware configuration and goes into the measurement. Here we see the data and peaks, and we just need to wait for 30 minutes. It will finish. When you finished, you want to find your data in the location that you create your folder and use this software to do the data fitting. It will helps you to find the peak position, the despacing. Always remember to recycle your sample as well as your data after the experiment. It would be great help to us all. And thanks for your watching.